So today we did an outside activity with the kids. We played a hopscotch competition with math. And so we brought all the kids outside, we divided them into teams, and then each team they had to pick a hopper. So the person that was going to hop the hopscotch. And so each team, they got the same problem. It was either an expression or an equation problem that they had to simplify or solve. The teams went back to their groups, worked out the problem on their whiteboards, and then when they got their answer, the hopper had to hop the hopscotch to me so I could check their answer. If it was correct, then their team got a point. If not, they had to go back to their group, figure out where they messed up, and then try to come back and earn that point. Once the teams, we kind of went through a little while of them solving. If we still hadn't got the problem, we come back together as a group, talked about the problem, and then everybody figured out where they messed up on.
This week we've been working on equations, and we've been kind of sitting down in the classroom working through some problems. So on Friday I really wanted to make it fun for them and kind of have a really engaging activity. So today I made up a game. So it was called Equation Hopscotch. And their boxes for their hopscotch almost looked like a calculator. It had all the numbers and all the operations in it, and one box was a variable. So I paired them up, and they had a partner A and a partner B. Partner A would come and see me, and they would have to look at an equation that I wrote down. They would have to memorize the equation and then get on their hopscotch, and their partner recorded as they hopped out the equation that I gave them. So this was just a really fun way to get them working with equations, and it made it competitive.
So the standard that we're talking about solving equation, it's 1- and 2-step equations. So the students are learning about, well, what's easier for me to do first is to how do I get the x or the variable by itself. And so what I wanted to do, instead of just sitting in the classroom in their desk, I wanted to get them outside, get kind of a little competition going with them because they love to be competitive outside working together in the sunshine and just have a little fun. I wanted to make the learning process fun, so hopefully maybe some of these activities can stick in their head and these problems, they can understand the steps a whole lot easier.
After today's lesson outside for our outside class, one student in particular I noticed was in class, he has a really hard time focusing and getting engaged and staying on task, and all the work that he's done so far on equations, he's kind of pretty much showing that he doesn't know how to do it. And so today, whenever we did this, when he was showing me his work, he got every single one right. So kind of changing your environment and coming outside and, you know, making something really engaging and fun for kids, they prove you wrong, that they can do it.
New Albany Middle School, preparing all for success.